shadows lost, looking up to the sky so soft. I was searching for a spark, a light to guide me from this dark. Steady heartbeats later deep, dreams were buried in my sleep. Now I'm waking, breaking free. New horizons I can see, reaching higher, touching skies.
So while we enjoy this video, I'm gonna do a shout out to my returning subscribers, my subscribers who have always been part of this family. You guys are my G. Thanks for always being here with me. And if you're just seeing my face for the first time, do well to subscribe to be part of this amazing family. So keep watching.
Behind, in this moment, peace I find. Building bridges to my dreams. Life is more than what it seems. Reaching higher, touching skies. Feel the fire in my eyes. Step by step and day by day. Rise above, I'll find my way.
I'm going to be doing the styling in two different sections. The both of them are the easy way to style your natural hair, but I'm going to do it in two different sections. So stick around and watch this video to tell me the one that you think is best for you. Okay. What I did at the front is flat twist. You can also do a cornrow if you wish, but I did a flat twist. Next thing I'm doing is to use edge control to gel my edges to make it look more neat.
My eyes, step by step and day by day. Rise above, I'll find my way.
So now the easy way I'm going to do this is to take the flat twist and just put it in the rope.
Peace I find.
Just put it in the rope.
Building bridges to my dreams. Life is more than what it seems. Reaching higher, touching skies. Feel the fire in my eyes.
For the second styling, what I'm going to do is just to take the rope to secure it tight, secure the bone tight, then take the flat twist and put it in the rope, which is the first method.
Before
You can also use a bobby pin if you wish to secure the flat twist.
with these suns new and bold.
Yeah, this is it. So tell me what you think about these two styles. Which one is best for you, A or B?